Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot find Uninstall.exe. So if you're trying to uninstall an application on your computer and you're getting the message that says unable to find the uninstaller, then there's a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. So the first solution is just to head over to your start menu and search for Regedit and then click on the Registry Editor. In the left hand side, go and expand the folder HKey local machine, then expand software, then scroll all the way down this list and expand the folder at the bottom WoW6432 node. Then we're going to expand the Microsoft folder, then scroll down again until you see Windows right at the bottom here and go and expand the Windows folder. Now expand current version, then scroll all the way down again and you should see a folder called uninstall. Go and expand this. Now if I just go and make this left hand panel a bit bigger, we can see all of these folders inside of the uninstall folder. So what you'll need to do is go through each of these folders to try and find the application that you're trying to uninstall. So if I click on this first one here, you can see the display name is Microsoft Visual C++. So I can just keep going through all these folders and it's going to tell me exactly what this application's called. So this one here is McAfee application. And if you can't find your application in these first folders here, you can come down and you may be able to find it from the actual title itself. So you can see something like Google Chrome, it has its own folder here. And to go and delete and uninstall this, we just need to right click on the folder and click on the delete button like so. Now, once you've done that, that should go and uninstall your application. If for some reason it's not working, you can open up the start menu, search for control panel and open up the control panel. Make sure view by is set to large icons and then click on programs and features. Now from here, go and find the application that you want to uninstall. So I'm going to uninstall CapCut and click on this uninstall button. Now, just like that, you should be able to uninstall the application directly from here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.